How to change green screen background in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you add your video, now here is my green screen video. So now select the clip. After you select the clip, go to this video and then go to remove BG. So in this option, now click on this chroma key. After you select the chroma key, don't touch anything. So from there, just select your background. After you select your background, scroll to down and tap on this shadow. Change the shadow to 30. After you add 30 to shadow, tap on enter and then scroll to down and tap on this feather edges. So tap on this section and add 70 and tap on enter again. So scroll to down again and tap on this clean up edge. Select this option and type in 50 in this option and type in enter. So from there, as you can see now there is no any green on your video. So now we change the background. If you want to add another background under the video, just go ahead and select the video or a picture for the background. Just drag the picture or the video. After you add the picture, automatically the picture will go above your video. All you have to do, just select your initial clip, your original clip, and then select the clip that you added as a background, select it to back. So now you add a new background to your video. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe.